That's the only thing we have that's new is windows. Everything else has to be replaced. We'll have to do new doors. We'll have to do, railings, new kitchen, appliances, and honestly, it's an oil boiler, so odds are the oil tank is buried. I'm Glenn.
And I'm Amber. And we're entrepreneurs, real estate investors, and parents in upstate New York.
We've been flipping houses for over a decade. It totally changed our lives and put us in the path of building the life that we choose.
So come along with us as we share a peek into our life and our business.
I wonder if this house is still in the family. I wonder that, Amber.
Yeah?
I wonder if it's still in the family. I'll have to call my cousin. He's a friend on Facebook. I'll have to give him a call and see, because I don't know. I felt like his kids or the grandkids or great grandkids or somebody was living here for a long time. I don't know if they ever bought it or if it went to someone else's hands. I feel like when Gersh listed it might be a bank owned, but maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong. It's been a lot of years. All right.
So this is really narrow right here, like it's not even 3 feet, which is not good. It's not good for a hallway, much less right by the front door. So what we did in the other houses is we started the newel post one step back so that this feels more open too.
Okay.
And that was very helpful.
So let's talk about this. I should have brought one of my home flipping evaluators. I did not bring it because it's sort of a bonus stop today. I wasn't thinking we were going to stop
is there
here,
a garage?
But yes.
Yeah, there's nowhere for laundry in this house. They had to go to the laundromat. There's nowhere for laundry.
Well, I can ask my mom. She'll remember. Probably did in the sink. Or over here.
So
There. That was where laundry was.
Oh my goodness.
Yep.
Oh, they didn't have a dryer. They just had a washer. No electrical panel.
That's not good. It must be someplace. So we gotta find that.
It's outside. It's in here. I think I saw it when we came in. Yeah, there's a new one right here. So here's what we've done in this house too, because
Yeah, this is a bank owned.
there's only one row of cabinets in this whole house. So what we've done, which is not a functional kitchen, but this window is too low for cabinets to go across it. So what we'll do, especially, it works out because, well, unfortunately this is a newer window, but since we have to reside the house anyway, we can just make this window smaller and put cabinets all along this wall as well. We'll probably keep the refrigerator right there, but then have another row of cabinets. We just can't go all the way to the staircase because then, you don't have room to walk around. But at least it's two surfaces opposite of each other to work on.
What do you think we're square footage here? This is more, I wasn't expecting this.
12?
Yeah.
Probably 1,200?
Maybe 12 or 13?
Yeah.
Maybe 600, 6'6". So if we make it to a 3, so it'll be 2 bedrooms down and a master suite
It'd be a
up,
3-2, yeah.
right?
Yep.
Which is not bad.
Nope.
For a rental. Short term more, we could try short term and see how it does, and then if not.
Would it work for a flip?
Huh?
Would those numbers work for a flip?
No.
It does need a lot.
No.
It needs a total rehab, it needs siding.
So let's go through it. It needs a roof, it needs siding. So you're gonna be 12 grand all day long for those two together. You agree?
Yeah. Yes.
So 12 grand for that. We need 12 grand for a kitchen. We're 24. We're looking at this house, you're all of 45. Maybe 50 if you have a bathroom upstairs. Would you agree? We're 50,000 in this house.
You think so?
Yeah. You gotta put all new floors.
Yeah.
So you're gonna put all new floors to the house upstairs. It needs all new floors. The only thing new on it is windows. That's the only thing we have that's new is windows. Everything else has to be replaced. We'll have to do new doors. We'll have to do railings, new kitchen, appliances, and honestly, it's an oil boiler, so odds are the oil tank is buried. Let's go outside and check out and see what the oil tank. Let's talk outside. It's warmer. All right. So back to business. So I think that as a HUD home, we can't buy this to live in. It has to go to people that are going to live in it, owner occupied for the first either 14 or 21 days. So we'll stay with the realtor. This house needs a lot of work, so an owner occupied, someone's not going to want to do this much work.
And in this climate, people aren't like buying houses like crazy either.
Nope.
Right during the COVID pandemic.
All right. So we'll go back. We're going to crunch some numbers and see if we can put this together. It's a HUD home. They won't come down on price for a while, so we'll have to watch it. The best way to get out of this one is going to be a rental. You can't do a flip. The only way you could do it is a rental, but you'd have to get it. You're going to be into it even without doing the siding and the outside.
Well, we need to do siding. We don't need to do the roof.
You don't have to do siding, though.
No.
I'm just saying, if you're going to be a rental,
Yeah. That's true. If it's going to be a rental, then I agree.
This won't work
we
as
could
a
keep
flip.
that. Well, I'm weighing out rental versus Airbnb.
Yeah. I know it's tough because we have one right next door. We're starting to get, we don't want to create our own competition so that we have a ton of Airbnbs and they're all in one town.
Right.
Although if they all work, I mean, hotels have big hotels.
But we
that keep
don't
them
know
full.
that yet. We haven't had the others long enough to know that yet.
It feels like even during the pandemic, we've stayed rented and we keep renting.
Yeah.
So we're getting pretty good at it.
Yeah.
It's a bit of a gamble, but hey, we're real estate investors, right? So we take gambles. We take calculated
risks.
Calculated risks. But if we were to get this one, this would be a very cool moment. And that's pretty cool. All right. So we'll go back, crunch the numbers, and see if we can't make my uncle's house work as one of our next rentals in our portfolio.